Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to everyone. The purpose of this meeting is to discuss the proposal for business hub on 2 hectare and 1 mini community hall at Taman Desa Botani. Okay, the requirement is prefabricating steel frame system and blockwork system. Mr. Azudin, can you propose the drawing for this project?
Okay, Mr. Saman. So this is our So this is our drawing for the business hub. So next. Okay, so as for the community hub, we use modular coordination concept, which is a modular coordination concept is a coordination of dimension and space in which building and component are dimension and position in terms of basic unit or module. So the basic module is known as 1 meter, which is equivalent to 100 millimeter. So it is internationally accepted by the International Standard Organization and many other countries, including the Malaysia. So thank you.
Okay. Next, I would like to Mr. Hilman to present the IBS component for this project.
Okay, Mr. Salman. So as we can see in this slide, this is the 3D drawings of our business hub. And this is the internal plan. And this is the plan for community hall, which is the front view and the other view. So I would like to highlight the IBS used for components. As we can see, the beam for the business hub is cast in situ using steam formwork, and wall partition is blockwork system using lightweight hollow core. For the staircase, we use the precast, and slab we use the precast hollow core slab. And for the column, we use the precast column. So for the community hall, the roof we use the prefabricated steel roof, and the column we use the prefabricated steel column. And for staircase, same as the business hub, we use the precast staircase. So I would like to summarize where this these components is much low cost, reduce the wastage construction, reduce the time of our project, and increase the quality of our construction, which is it is good to use the IBS concept in this our construction for this project.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Now I will present for the type of connection that we use for this project. Okay, first for the business hub, as you can see from the 3D drawing, we have beam to beam connection, and then beam to column connection. After that, we use beam to slab connection, and then as you can see, this is column to column connection. For the wall, we use blockwork system. Okay, for the community hall, the type of connection, as you can see from the 3D drawing, they are beam to base connection, and then truss of roof beam. This truss of roof beam. Okay, discussion on the type of connection for the business hub and community hall. There are 7 components and with the type of connection. Okay, first beam to beam. The type of connection is cast in situ. Second, beam to column, and the type of connection is cast in place connection with shallow cobble. After that, we have beam to slab. The type of connection is perimeter floor tie with concrete topping. And then column to column, the type of connection is base plate connection. Column to base plate connection. Number 6, wall. We use a block wall system using lightweight hollow block. Lastly, truss to roof beam. The type of connection is wall plate. That's all from me. Thank you.
So I would like to Mr. Amin bin Ghazali for IBS score.
Mr. Amin, can you present the calculation for IBS score?
Thank you, Mr. Saman. Okay, for the IBS score in our project, first we look for the community hall. For the community hall, it passed 75, which is it passed the IBS score standard in Malaysia. Okay, next, for the community hall, the IBS score in this project is 67.5. For the part 3 in business hub, for IBS scoring, the repetition floor to floor vertically is considered in our IBS scoring, and also for the horizontal repetition. Also the modular grid line for both community hall and also business hub are also considered in our IBS scoring. So for the conclusion in IBS scoring, the total the IBS score for 2 building is 72. Thank you, Mr. Saman.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amin. For the conclusion, the IBS score for the building, for the business hub should be considered. Meanwhile, for the community hall is very good. Okay. Since all the requirement has met, do we have any objection or addition ideas? Anyone?
No, Mr.
No,
Saman.
Mr. Saman.
Okay. So we can proceed with this proposal to build the business hub and also community hall. That's all for today. This meeting will be adjourned. Thank you.